When the music that you use for videos starts going through your head when you're making videos, maybe it's time for a change. So I intended to use a sliding dovetail as practice in this project. However, as you can see, this isn't going to hold anything. So let's see how I screwed up and what I did to fix it. Cross grain, so you got to be really careful. You go too far past your saw cuts, you might split your whole board. Oh my God, Leaf. You did it wrong. No, you didn't. Alright, we're going to call this video Leaf Screws Up a Joint. So I want to play around with sliding dovetail. Except this isn't going to hold anything in on this going this way. It could just pop right out here. So what I need to do, or what my solution is, I don't know why I didn't think of something different to start with. We're adding a keyway. So now there's material to pinch there. Let's see how it turns out. And here's the completed joint. It's not too pretty, but it's definitely functional. You see now the dovetails are pulling against these tabs here. So it actually holds itself in without any fasteners or glue. I hope this inspires you to turn your failures into success, and thank you for watching.